To enter a warehouse transfer order, first click the pencil icon on the quote header and enter an internal customer. Next, click More Options at the bottom of the header and select the Warehouse Transfer checkbox. Then click OK to save the changes. Now add the parts and quantities for the material that will be transferred. After adding your lines, navigate to the Commit to Order screen. Here you can add the final receiving location and the in-transit warehouse that will be used. Once your locations are set, click the Commit Order button. After committing, navigate to the Pick Part screen of the order to select the material you will be transferring to, and click Update. Once the material is picked, navigate to the Complete and Receive screen, and click the Complete and Receive Product button. Upon completing, the material will be received into the in-transit warehouse and a PO will be created for the final receiving location. From the warehouse receiving screen, use the newly created PO number to receive the parts into the final receiving location. That's it. You're done.